Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. Recently, ShirtShow, my boy Todd, he recently released a hologram summer edition Newsboy cap. And so I went ahead and picked one of those up. Here it is here. And again, this is from ShirtShow.co. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got. Then I'll pause the video, show a close-up, and then come back. Now, one thing about ShirtShow is that it ships very quickly, but I did get the black and white, I believe it was. The new, I guess it's just called the black, and I got the 59 and 60 size. Here it is here. Again, this is the Newsboy Summer Edition by Hologramme. Got a little padding on the inside. Nice thin cap, perfect for the warmer months. It does have that elastic type backing, so it does stretch a little bit for you. Again, this is by Hologramme. If you're curious what today's cap is that I'm wearing, this is the Punk. Nice little 4-leaf or 3-leaf clover on the back. So we're going to go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to show you a close-up of this on the bed here, and I'll be right back, and I'll try it on. All right, so here is the close-up. Again, this is from ShirtShow. You can actually get on the shop app as well if you like saving up your shop points like I do and then redeeming that. Again, very thin cap. This is what I was talking about, the elastic being on the back. This is a 5960 by Hologramme. This one actually says it's a 57 centimeter. Well, hopefully that fits. I'm sure it's the same thing. But yeah, this is it here. Great looking cap. I like the baggy look. And again, this is by Hologramme, and you can get it at ShirtShow. And I'll put all the links in the description. All right, so I'm back after showing that a little bit of a close-up. It does say 57 centimeters on the tag as well. I can get that to zoom in here. Anyway, I guess it does say 57, so it did show 59 to 60 on the order. I'm sure this will be fine, but let's go ahead and try it on. Yeah, this fits perfect. How about that look? That is a great looking cap there. Again, this is the Summer Newsboy from ShirtShow. Nice, and this is the black. So it does have some blacks, some grays, and whites in there. I might actually wear this. This actually looks good with my sweatshirt. I'm going to wear this the rest of the day, I think. Good looking. Nice looking. What do you guys think about this? Again, this is the Newsboy by Hologramme, the summer edition. And I did get this from ShirtShow again. And I'll put a link to where you can purchase this cap in the description of the video. Again, Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.